Curious about the financial investment required to start your own business? In this article, we delve into the crucial question of how much money you actually need to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. By understanding the various factors that influence startup costs, you can gain valuable insights and make informed decisions about financing your business endeavor. Join us as we explore the financial requirements and uncover strategies to optimize your startup budget. When it comes to starting a business, the amount of money needed can vary greatly depending on several factors. Here, we elaborate on the key points to consider when determining how much money you need to start your own business, along with examples for each point. Business type and industry. The type of business you plan to start and the industry it belongs to play a significant role in determining the required financial investment. For instance, starting a small online retail store may require a lower initial investment compared to launching a manufacturing company that requires machinery, equipment, and a physical location. Business model. The chosen business model also influences the amount of money needed. For example, if you plan to start a service-based business that can be operated from home, the costs associated with acquiring a physical space and purchasing inventory may be minimal compared to starting a brick-and-mortar retail store. Scale and scope. Consider the scale and scope of your business. Are you aiming for a local, regional, or national presence? The larger the scale, the higher the initial investment may be. A business with national aspirations might require marketing campaigns, expanded infrastructure, and more extensive resources compared to a local business. Operational costs. Take into account the operational costs necessary to run your business on a day-to-day basis. This includes expenses such as rent, utilities, employee salaries, inventory, marketing, and technology infrastructure. Calculate these costs based on your specific business needs and projected growth. Legal and regulatory requirements. Depending on your industry and location, there may be legal and regulatory requirements that come with associated costs. This could include licenses, permits, certifications, or compliance fees. Research the legal obligations for your business and factor these costs into your budget. Marketing and branding. Building brand awareness and attracting customers requires marketing efforts. Consider the costs associated with marketing strategies such as website development, advertising campaigns, social media management, and promotional materials. These expenses may vary depending on your target market and marketing approach. Equipment and supplies. Determine the necessary equipment, tools, and supplies required to operate your business. For instance, a restaurant would need kitchen equipment, furniture, and utensils, while a graphic design business would require computers, software licenses, and design materials. Research and estimate the costs of these items. Professional services. You may need to enlist the help of professionals such as lawyers, accountants, or consultants to ensure legal compliance, manage finances, or provide specialized expertise. Consider the fees associated with these services and include them in your budget. Contingency fund. It's wise to have a contingency fund to account for unexpected expenses or potential setbacks. This cushion can help you navigate challenges without derailing your business plans. Aim to set aside a percentage of your initial investment for this purpose. Financing options. Consider your available financing options, such as personal savings, loans, grants, or investments from partners or investors. Each funding source has different requirements and implications. Explore the options that align with your financial situation and long-term goals. Remember that these examples are general in nature, and the actual costs will depend on your specific business idea and circumstances. Conduct thorough research, create a detailed budget, and seek guidance from experienced entrepreneurs or professionals in your industry to determine the precise amount of money you need to start your business successfully. As we conclude our exploration of the financial investment required to start a business, remember that the actual amount of money you need can vary widely depending on various factors. Conduct thorough research, create a detailed business plan, and leverage available resources and financing options to optimize your startup budget. By understanding the financial landscape and making informed investment decisions, you can set yourself up for success and ensure that your business venture has a solid financial foundation. Press like button, share our video, and subscribe our channel for more VED in the future. Stay with Double Z. Thanks for watching.